Howdy, this is future me, because the past me forgot to do something in this video, so I'm putting it on now. I recorded it later in the evening. Some of you may have thought I forgot that I was giving away this. I meant to do this at the beginning of the video and I totally forgot. So here it is at the beginning of the video, but recorded at a separate time. So my regular random comment picker apparently is no longer active for whatever reason. So it took me a while to find a new one. I've got it all loaded up and we're doing a wheel thing again, just because for some reason this one uses a wheel. We had 19 comments using hashtag Bermuda Triangle, which was the keyword for the giveaway. Remember, this is CONUS only because of the splashes, but I am going to start the wheel and we will see who the winner is. Let me hold this up. Is that how it works? Why is that not working? Maybe it's right in the middle. There we go. It's right in the middle. And the winner is Rabbit Shaves. And he said, wow, this one sounded great too. Thanks for taking us on a 6-day journey through... well, for some reason it took me to my video. Let me go back. I should have played with this comment picker better. How do I get back? There we go. Through the... and I'm not sure. But Rabbit Shaves, you are the winner. Thank you so much, guys. Damon, reach out to me. I believe I still have your address, but reach out to me and we'll get everything settled and I'll get this shipped out to you, my friend. All right, on to the video. Can't speak. Use your words, Barry. On to the video with Past Me. Have a good one.
A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. I've got another product spotlight from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. This one is brand new, guys, and I am very, very excited about it. Let's go ahead and show it to you. This one is called ELECTRO High Shine. You've seen some teasers about it. Everybody's been wondering what it is. People have been thinking, is it a pomade? Is it a whatever? Well, it's a shave soap, guys. Soap and splash. I'm assuming it's going to be a full-blown release, but I'm not sure. I don't know exactly when it's going to be dropped. I just know it's going to be very, very, very soon. I guess you want to see the label, huh? Here you go. ELECTRO High Shine. Look at that. Beautiful hollow. Very interesting. I have yet to really dig into this label to see what lore and hidden secrets are in there. But hopefully you guys can, down below, help me decipher this one, see what kind of lore we can dig up. I do have the matching splash, and let's talk a little bit about it. Introducing ELECTRO High Shine, our tribute to the legendary Chrome by Azzaro. And since I don't have the PAA EDP, I do have Azzaro Chrome EDT right here with me. One of the most recognizable fresh fragrances ever created, and easily one of the most requested scents we've been asked to tackle over the years. The scent profile is top of citrus, rosemary, bergamot, neroli, and pineapple, heart of jasmine, oak moss, cyclamen, and coriander, and base of musk, cedar, sandalwood, cardamom, Brazilian rosewood, and tonka bean. I do love Azzaro Chrome. Now, I'm assuming this is probably whatever the original was from 96, but we'll get into that. When Azzaro Chrome launched in 96, it was positioned around memories, transmission between generations, and the relationship between father and son. The goal was to evoke freedom, optimism, happiness, and shared moments rather than seduction or nightlife, which was kind of refreshing, and I agree. Almost everything back in the 90s was about nightlife. Where was I? Originally launched in 96, Chrome drew inspiration from the sun-drenched Mediterranean and the timeless bond between father and son. Clean, optimistic, and effortlessly wearable, it became a signature scent for an entire generation and remains a benchmark for fresh masculine fragrances to this day. I agree. It's amazing how much Azzaro Chrome is still sold today. So we set out on a mission to recreate the bright, invigorating character that made the original unforgettable. The scent laboratory hummed with activity, instruments flickered, calculations were made, snacks were had, Cube made coffee, the usual. The result is ELECTRO High Shine, and let me show you that wonderful label again. Really, really reflective hollow label on this one. Really love it. Oh, that is so good now. I was not one to go for chrome back in the day. I came to the chrome brotherhood, if you will, very late. I just acquired it within the last few months, and I am completely in love with it. Really am. I wish I'd found it a long time ago. It is an amazing fragrance. For the hardware, I am using the, of course, the glow-in-the-dark Moonstriker with this nickel synth knot. And for the razor, I am using something new. We're not really going to talk about it. I might get another video for it, but it's the Razor Rock Smile Plus Head and Body Shaver. And as you can see, it's got a bit of a curved head there and then a straight side, and that's what we're going to be using. I've been having amazing, incredible head shaves. We're doing a head shave today. I did blizzard battles yesterday, and I really have very little to shave today. It was such a great shave in that battle. So let's get things going. And we'll get the lather started. Get the brush wet here. All right. I am really looking forward to this. Very, very wonderful fragrance. Let me know down below if you are a fan of chrome like I am, and so many are, or if you've never smelled it before. I really like that people were really curious just by the name alone what this release was. It was kind of entertaining. I even kind of added to it. I asked if it was a bald head polish. You know, just thought it'd be a little funny to kind of perpetuate the mystery there a little bit in that post on the Phoenix site. But yeah, it was kind of interesting, you know. They haven't really put anything out, I guess, in a while that wasn't just for shaving, I guess. I'm trying to remember, besides the razors and brushes, that wasn't just soaps and splashes. It has been a while. Of course, they have lots of merch. Always new merch. I've got my Tokyo Rose shirt on. Love this shirt. And I definitely overloaded this brush. I can tell just by looking at it. So we will probably be lathering for a bit. I think I'll just lightly put a base on, then I'll try to empty some of this out of the brush before I go hard and heavy on the lathering. Save some time, because that should be plenty right there. Let's see if we can't get a little bit of this out. All right. All right. That ought to work better. Oh, it smells so good. Such a bright, airy fragrance. Chrome just makes me happy every time I use it. Get some more water on there. I don't know what it is, but man, it just puts me in a good mood every time I wear chrome. And this is doing the exact same thing, as well as it should, because I'm flinging leather. Luckily that went into the sink, because it is smelling exactly like it. Looks like we're still going to be lathering for a bit. Oh, so good. I definitely need a cube of this. I hope there is one. I could, you know what? I also wanted this as a deodorant. Man, this would make a fantastic deodorant. I think I will be buying that as well. And it's been a while since I bought a PA deodorant because I had so many. I'm going more. Still a bit too pasty. You know me and overloading. I'm very generous with my soap. I am not conservative at all. All right, getting there. Definitely getting there. A little more and we will be good. Yeah. Yep. A little more on this side. That is a ton of lather. Oh, it smells good. All right. Things out of the way. Warm up that razor. All right. I am also very much looking forward to when PAA's Frost in Space shows up in the battles. I cannot wait to experience what Doug, Fran, and Hux have in store for me in the battles, because I'm anticipating it to be pretty well done. Wow. I cannot get over how good this smells. Incredible. Ooh. All right, a little too much pressure, Barry. I just got myself a very good nick. Right on the top of my head. Yep. Feeling a little too confident. This razor has been very safe feeling, and it's been really, my confidence has kind of been through the roof. I've been very relaxed with it, and I just realized how much pressure, and the second I realized it, boom. That is the very first nick I've ever had with this razor, and that was all me. Oh, I can't get over how good this is. I'm going to use this again tomorrow. All right. Let's, where'd I put it? Which drawer did I put it in? There it is. All right. Try a little alum on it first. Just get that to stop a bit. There we go. All right. Let's finish up the back. So chrome starts out, like I said, very bright, airy, slightly metallic, as it should, being called chrome. But it's not like, what's the word I'm looking for? It's not like industrial-like metallic, just meaning it's just got that bright, metallic scent. But, you know, there's different kinds. It's just really light. It is so good though, man. What I really love is the dry down though. This one is definitely a traveler when using it, because it goes from those bright aromatics, kind of coastal citrus, to some beautiful woods. One thing I do love about this razor is there's always very little cleanup. One of the best head shavers I have used. And this is all very good. Just the little hairs on the neck that are always hard to get for some reason. You figure those little thin, soft hairs would be so easy to shave, but they're not. Alright, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Alright. Wow, that was good. It was very good. Ooh, I am smooth. Beautiful. All right. Time for the magic. Electro High Shine. Let's get this pump primed up. I just put it on. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh. It's just, I'm gonna do a little comparison. I'm not gonna put any in my hand, but I am gonna do that. I'm gonna spray a little on the back of this hand, and then I'm gonna spray a little bit of Azzaro Chrome on the back of the other. Should have probably did this at the beginning. All right, and oh, that was a perfect shave. Jeez, DBS. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, wow. Ooh. PAA Azzaro. Now I'm just, of course, getting the beginning, the top, but oh, they are both beautiful, so close, but honestly, and this does happen, I think I like the PAA just a hair better so far. Oh, but they are both beautiful. Winner either way. Oh, that is so good. But of course, there's very little PAA I don't like. So, Electro High Shine. Coming out very, very soon is the best I can tell you guys. Could be tomorrow, could be this weekend. Heck, could be before I even have this video dropped. We'll see. Check it out. If you feel so inclined, I do have an affiliate code down below. You, feel free to use it. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.